So we're going to look at this problem, and you might look at it first and go, oh, what a mess, you know, you got all that stuff in there. But it says to factor by substitution. So we're going to look at that middle term right there. It says 6x minus 5. This is the part we want the u to be. Now it has to match over here. It does, because they wouldn't ask us to do it by u substitution if it couldn't be done. And so I'm going to make that the u as well. So I'm going to get u, just this part right here. Okay, so I get u squared plus 6u plus 8. Now that's a polynomial I can factor. That looks much more reasonable. So I need two numbers that multiply to be 8 and add to be 6. And the two numbers are going to be 2 and 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Both of them were positive, so both my signs were going to be positive on the numbers. And so it's going to factor into u plus 2 and u plus 4. Okay, so sometimes students are like, oh, good, I got that part done, which is good, you know, that's good. But you're not done because it's factored, but it's factored in terms of u. Now we have to go back. So if you'll remember, we let u be x minus 5. So now I have to put the x minus 5 back in for the u. All right, so I'll try to write this out so it'll make some sense, hopefully. So I've got parentheses, and now I'm putting in x minus 5 for that u. I'm hoping the colors help you to see what's going on. So the substituting I'm talking about is right here. That x minus 5 is going in for that u, and on the other binomial, x minus 5 is going in for that u. Now, an interesting thing happens on this problem. I don't really need those parentheses. I was just trying to show you a visual of what's going on. So I could write x minus 5 plus 2. There's nothing to distribute. And the other one I could write x minus 5 plus 4. But those could be simplified because I can add negative 5 and 2, and I can add negative 5 and 4. So I'm going to simplify this first one into x minus 3, right? Negative 5 and 2 is negative 3. And then the other one's going to be x minus 1. And then we're done. It's factored. So a little bit more to do there, but fun, you know. Anyway, that's the concept of a u substitution. We'll use this later on at the end of Chapter 6.